Northern Virginia pedestrian accident attorney. Being hit by a car as a pedestrian is a shocking and often traumatic experience that can leave you disoriented and uncertain about your next steps. Acting quickly to safeguard your health and preserve critical evidence can make a significant difference in both your recovery and legal position. In Northern Virginia, Jennifer Porter Law, PLLC reminds injured pedestrians that prioritizing safety and collecting information are essential for protecting their rights. Virginia follows the strict rule of contributory negligence, which means you may be barred from receiving compensation if you are found even partly at fault for the accident. Pedestrians must obey traffic signals and use available sidewalks. Crossing against the light or walking in the road when a sidewalk is present can be considered negligent. Because insurance companies often try to shift blame onto those on foot, understanding this law is important when evaluating your claim and highlights the value of consulting a personal injury attorney to evaluate the facts and present evidence. If you're ever hit by a vehicle while walking, your first priority should be calling 911 and obtaining medical care. Some injuries don't reveal themselves immediately, so even if you think you're fine, it's wise to get checked by a healthcare provider. Having emergency services respond also creates an official record of the incident, which can support your claim later on. After ensuring your health and contacting authorities, gather as much evidence as possible from the scene. Take photographs of your injuries, the vehicle that struck you and the surrounding area, including crosswalks, traffic signs, and the condition of the road. Ask any witnesses for their names and contact details. Their statements could be critical in establishing what happened. You should also request a copy of the police report, as it contains key details about the accident. Understanding the types of evidence to collect will help you build a stronger case. Photographs should show the car's position, damage, skid marks, and the exact spot where you were hit. In addition to pictures, make detailed notes about road conditions, lighting, weather, and how busy the area was. Witness statements are valuable. If someone saw the collision, write down what they said or at least get their contact information so your lawyer can follow up. Finally, obtain the police report, which provides the officer's observations and may help prove who was at fault. Even if you don't need an ambulance, seek medical attention as soon as possible after you leave the scene. Hidden injuries such as back trauma or hairline fractures might not be obvious until later. If you are not hurt badly enough to require immediate medical care, use that time to collect evidence, but still see a doctor afterward. Once you have addressed your immediate needs and collected information, contact a personal injury attorney to review your options. A qualified attorney can manage communications with insurers, handle claims, and work toward fair compensation for your injuries and related expenses. Because Virginia's contributory negligence rule can block recovery, having a lawyer examine the evidence and advocate for you is vital. Jennifer Porter Law, PLLC explains that they take over communications with insurance companies, collect evidence, find witnesses, and determine who was at fault to prove negligence. Their team pursues compensation through settlements or, if necessary, by taking the case to court, while protecting your rights every step of the way. As a local law firm, they work closely with clients to ensure each pedestrian accident claim receives personal attention from an attorney. Being struck by a car is frightening, but you can protect yourself by acting promptly and knowing your rights. If you've been injured, remember to call 911, preserve evidence, seek medical care, and speak with a trusted lawyer. Jennifer Porter Law, PLLC, located at 8001 Braddock Road, No. 102, Springfield, Virginia, 22151, stands ready to help. Reach out to this law firm today at 571-532-9070 for a confidential consultation and let their attorney guide you through the process.